Welcome to SIW. Imagine drawing the perfect line to separate two groups. SVM does exactly that, but in multi-dimensional space. Curious? Let's dive in. Data Science Module 11. Machine Learning via Scikit-learn, Supervised Learning. Support. Vector Machine. It is used for regression and classification problems for high-dimensional dataset. It separates the class with best line is called decision boundary, or hyperplane. Points are used to find hyperplane are called support vectors. Types of SVM, linearly separable, non-linearly separable. Maximum margin hyperplane, the hyperplane that creates the maximum separation between classes. Types of kernel functions. Linear kernel, the simplest type, used when data is linearly separable. Polynomial, kernel.sheet transforms data into a higher dimensional space using a polynomial function. The kernel trick transforms data into a higher dimensional space, making it easier to separate with a straight line. Common kernel types include Gaussian RBF, linear, polynomial, and sigmoid. Radial basis function kernel, the most commonly used kernel in SVMs. It maps data to a higher dimensional space using a Gaussian function. Sigmoid kernel transforms data using a sigmoid function often used in neural networks. The cost parameter controls the balance between margin size and classification accuracy. High C tries to perfectly separate data but may cause overfitting. Low C allows some misclassifications, reducing overfitting but risking underfitting. Black box, nature of support. Vector classifier.svc models are often considered black boxes. They do not provide clear insights into the contribution of individual feature to the outcome measure. The SVC with a linear kernel is represented by the equation. The SVC model classifies observations based on the sign of f of x. The model predicts rainy for positive values and non-rainy for negative values of f of x. If you want to learn more about data science, course, please join SIW.